Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at those chart symbols and abbreviations that define the seabed. Use this to choose the best anchor for anchoring, or if you go aground, to decide on the best action to take. Download the latest edition of chart number 1, which shows you all chart symbols and abbreviations used on nautical and electronic charts throughout the world. Copy this site address and save it to your favorites. This illustration from chart number 1 shows some of the most common seabed types, including sand, mud, clay, silt, stones, gravel, pebbles, cobbles, rock or rocky, and boulders. Notice that the abbreviation for the seabed type begins with a capital letter. In this illustration, we see seabed qualifiers. Seabed qualifiers further define the seabed type. Here you see fine, medium, coarse, broken, sticky, soft, stiff, volcanic, and hard. Notice that qualifiers are in lowercase letters. Now let's take a look at how these types and qualifiers might appear on your nautical chart. On this chart, we see a seabed type of sand and shells, and we can tell in a combination which is the dominant bottom type because the dominant type is always shown first. We look nearby to find the seabed qualifier, and we see a lowercase h, which means hard, so we know that we have a hard sand or hard sanded shell bottom. On this chart, an uppercase M means that we have a mud seabed bottom. We scan the chart nearby and see the lowercase so, which means soft, and now we know we have a soft mud bottom. Now you know how to use seabed types and qualifiers to help you choose the best anchor for anchoring or the best action to take when you go aground.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.